What we have here is a spring perch off of a Model T Ford, and fella dropped them off wanting to put new bushings in. Sometimes these can be fairly hard to get out. You know, they've been there about 100 years, they've rusted and been through the mud and the dirt and the rain, and you can see he's tried to knock that one out already, and he's sort of bratted it up. So we're going to try to get these out the way I do it. So this is a lug nut off of a tractor trailer, 18-wheeler. It's got a bevel in it, if you can see it there, and it works pretty good to hold this thing where it's beveled. And so we're going to see how it works. This is a bushing driver out of a bushing driver kit. Put this in there. I usually do it short to start with to get it started. You can see it's started now, so I keep using short stuff because of the chances of long stuff flying out. We can go a little bit more. Now I've run out of space. I take my bushing drivers out. And then I got this little driver that I turned in the lathe, nothing special. Put it in. Set my nut back up here. Get it in the right spot here. Stand for that slot in my press to be just a little bigger. I gotta get it right in the exact spot. There we go. Well, that's how I get them out. I'll show you how I put them in too. I'll have to stop the camera and get set up on that. We're going to flap it out now. This is just a homemade deal. It holds a piece of emery cloth and just slip it down. You just slip it down in between the slots on a homemade mandrel. So just took a hacksaw and sawed a slot in it. So we're going to clean the rust out. You can see it's pretty rusty. You see it? Don't take too much. Got it cleaned out pretty good. I got it set up here. Lubricated a little bit, WD-40 and oil or anything you want to use. So we're going to take it home. So there you go. installing spring perch bushings. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned a little something maybe. The lug nut off the truck really works well for this.